I had uploaded about what an algorithm is via short video, right? First, we should learn about recursive and iterative algorithms. Which are types of algorithms, right? We have two types of algorithms. What are they? Recursive algorithm and iterative algorithm. These are the types of algorithm, right? In this image, you can see a loop, right? This is a loop, right? If you see a loop, it is the type of iteration because iterations use loops to repeat things, right? Therefore, we can say iterations use the loops for repeat things, right? What about recursion? Recursion use function calls, but in this case, function calling itself is the recursion. Function call itself is the recursion, right? What is the function? Function is this, right? This is a function. In the function, you can see it calls itself, right? This is the function name. Function name is factorial. You can see again it calls function name, right? Factorial. And this is the recursion. This is the iteration, right? Iteration. Iterations use the loops as well as being fast and use less memory. What about recursion? Recursions use the function calls, as well as being slower and use more memory, right? And recursion is the best choice for solving complex problems, right? The best choice for solving complex problem, right? What about iteration? Iteration is the rare choice for solving complex problem, right? Recursion has a base case, right? Processes are stopped by the base case. Right? Recursion has a base case and processes are stopped by the base case, right? Let's discuss that in the next parts, right? Loops in iterations, loops run till a finite value, right? And that value can stop the process, right? Loops run till the finite value, and that value, what is that value? Finite value, right? That value can stop the process, right? What are the usage? We use recursion for Fibonacci, factorial, likewise, right? What are the usage of iteration? We use iteration for finding average of a data series. Finding average of data series, as well as we can use to create multiplication table. Right. Let's move on to the next part. If we have two methods like A and B, right? Void A is first method, void B is second method, right? We call function A inside function B. Function A called inside function B, and we call function B inside the function A, right? That's why we call this mutually recursion, right? It means the functions depend on each other to complete their tasks recursively, right?